right, so now we're going to talk about the second part of our acne lesson, and this is going to be about our treatment options. So we're talking about the skin, and we have these blocked pores right here. The most common medicine that we can use topically to get rid of these blocked pores are kind of in the Retin-A family. Prescription, there's tretinoin, and by OTC, there's one product that was prescription called Differin. Now, retinoids or tretinoin or Differin, they're applied nightly. I would use about 2 pea-size amounts, massaging it into the skin. So we're going to put a thin layer everywhere, whether you have acne there or not. With the purpose over time is it's going to get into the pores, loosen up these dead skin cells, and on the long term, reduce the number of blackheads that you have. When you first start using these medicines, you will notice that you'll get some extensive peeling because these medicines do loosen up the skin. And so we all have this kind of dead layer of skin on top. And especially in the first few weeks, that top dead layer is going to peel off. And so don't be discouraged by the excessive peeling. Just be consistent. Once that dead layer, that thick dead layer is gone, on the long term, you'll just notice some fine peeling. In the mornings, I would just recommend you wash your face and put a moisturizer with sunscreen on. By prescription, some people do use topical antibiotics such as clindamycin or topical dapsone or topical erythromycin and topical benzoyl peroxide, which by far is the most potent topical antibiotic, but it can often be irritating when we combine benzoyl peroxide with a form of Retin-A. It can be done, but I would not start with that. And knowing that the retinoid family is the most important topical medicine to be using, I would stick with this before adding the benzoyl peroxide. All right, so we'll go to session 3 in a bit, and we'll talk about the systemic options for treating our acne when the topical methods are not working. Thank you.